Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to set alerts on eToro using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the eToro app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once on the home screen, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name or ticker of the asset you want to track. For example, type BTC for Bitcoin. From the search results, tap on the asset to open its page. Look for the bell icon, usually at the top right corner of the asset page. Tap on the bell icon to access the price alerts menu. Enter the price at which you want to be notified. For example, set $50,000 if you want to be alerted when Bitcoin hits that value. Tap Set Alert or Confirm to save it. To view or modify existing alerts, go to the Portfolio tab, tap the bell icon to see all active alerts and adjust or delete them as needed. And that's it. Now you will never miss a key market move with eToro price alerts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Financify, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.